It's valuable customers like you that made Power Probe the name for power circuit diagnosing and component testing. By working closely with technicians of all levels, we just completed the best diagnostic circuit tester to date, and we're excited to introduce the new Power Probe 4. The Power Probe 4 still provides the basic functions you already know and love with its ability to activate electrical components, but now its new color graphic display is larger, brighter, and easier to see at any angle of view and in direct sunlight. Its higher voltage measurement capability can now display up to 200 volts with a resolution of 0.01 volt. It has 3 voltmeter modes to cover all ranges of voltage measurements. A 200 microsecond DC voltmeter for fast glitch capturing, an RMS AC voltmeter, and a peak-to-peak AC voltmeter for testing computer and sensor outputs. The Power Probe 4 is menu-driven with 3 navigation buttons to make mode selecting intuitive and easy. Our power feed test is used to check resistance on static circuits or perform voltage drop tests by simply back-probing activated circuits. Even more exciting, we've bundled 3 additional premium features into the Power Probe 4 to give you a huge value and increased testing capability. One is the electronic fuel injector tester that makes fast work out of testing the fuel injector signals. Then, the electronic component drivers test, and the ECT mode for pinpointing open circuits. The power cable length is an additional 3 feet longer for a total reach of 23 feet. The ergonomic housing is rugged, water resistant, and feels comfortable in your hand. When the circuit breaker trips, it automatically resets instead of needing to press a button. The Power Probe 4 displays signal frequency along with negative and positive pulse width like many professional multimeters. The Power Probe 4 is the cutting edge in improved circuit diagnosing and component testing. So intuitive and easy to use, every level of technician from novice to professional needs the Power Probe 4. Ask your tool dealer for more information or go to powerprobe.com.